In the next sequence, we've changed the form of the specimen to that of a thin foil. And we're now looking at the edge of the foil. It's iron coated with tin. These filaments are growing off the edge and they are unsupported. In this case, you see a change in the mode of growth. Here, the catalyst particle, the tin-iron alloy, is located within the filament, which is growing from two faces of the particle at the same rate. During growth, the catalyst particle undergoes rotation, which creates a spiral conformation in the filament. At higher magnification now, this is approximately 2 million times, we start to see some other abnormalities of this particular system. That is the ability of the catalyst particle to leave the parent growth and form a branch. This process is very much like the squeezing out of toothpaste from a tube. You'll see the particle extruded from the parent growth, now proceeding to catalyze the formation of branches of similarly grown filaments. Temperature here is 800 degrees centigrade. The catalyst particle widths about 200 angstroms. This type of secondary growth goes on for extended periods of time. These filaments